We are TMT Crudum, and we deliver tailored robotic and conveyor systems for manufacturing and logistics. We design functional and efficient solutions precisely for your operations. We fine-tune entire lines even before production begins. With digital twins, we accelerate implementation and reduce the risk of errors. We're not just a technology supplier, we're a system integrator, which means we see the full picture. We consider space, production rhythm, and operator workflow. Every detail has its place, from the initial design through complete in-house production to system launch. Every step stays within our company, under one roof. We thoroughly test and verify completed systems directly on site. This gives us full confidence in quality, precision, and timing. We use cutting-edge technologies to achieve the best possible results. The finished solution leaves our facility fully functional and ready for real-world operation. We don't produce one-size-fits-all systems. We design solutions tailored to specific needs. TMT Crudum, your system integrator.